morning, people. My beautiful people. Yeah. Superior Sound Lab, two-sided studios. I'm cooling. Just getting my head around some things. Money Bread on the track. I'm about to get this from nephew. Got to. But you know, this space right here that I'm in has so much history. Let me get the camera right so I can see my face. I created it so the bulk of my music here, like all that music on North Coast Music MP3, them 5 mixtapes on that boy, yeah. I recorded it here, mixed and mastered myself. Yeah, and this is a beautiful studio. Hold on, let me give y'all a little tour. We're gonna start with that pretty motherfucker, that blue, that baby bottom. Yeah. Oh, study the art, man. You know, it ain't how it looks, it's what can come out of it when you know how to do things with it. You know. Yeah. It's home, y'all. It's home. You play that again. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, the SWISHAHTV, y'all know what it is. Don't play no games. Don't play no games. Don't play no games. Yeah. Man, King Cooper. King shit. Yeah, you know. That's how we get down. That's how I get down. But yeah. For those that know, y'all know where I'm at. Exactly where I'm at. You feel me? But we cooking. Deep frying shit. You know what I mean? It ain't no me, it's in me. Believe that. Yeah. It ain't no me, it's in me, my nigga. Yeah. 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 Been doing this shit so long, I'm starting to get blisters on my feet. Walking these streets, keeping it peace. Even though I'm known inside a war at any moment. That's the fire in me that I've been owning. The flame, that ride, bruh. You can't get down with me and my paws, bruh. Me and my dogs, we don't bark, nigga. We bite for the cause. We raw, we hard, we above that par. You're just superior, with intelligence surpassing haters and whores and hoes. Oh, you didn't know, but now you know. King shit out the door, let go. It ain't on me, it's in me, my nigga. It ain't on me, it's in me, my nigga. It ain't on me, it's in me, my nigga. Hey, ain't on me, it's in me, my nigga.